Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is literally 2 days before the new year, and as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a pack with me video slash vlog. In case you guys didn't know, well obviously you guys don't know, I am going to go on an international trip for the whole month of January, pretty much the whole month. We're going to be out for 24 days, Alexander and myself, and yeah, I've just been keeping it very low-key. Nobody really knows about it besides my family and a few of my really close friends. I'm gonna be packing extremely light, just a small backpack and a really small carry-on. I already have pretty much everything out in front of me. So we're gonna pack together, we're gonna chit-chat. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you everything today because what's today? Today is December 30th. It's Friday. We're leaving in 4 days, so we're heading out January 3rd. So you know, you always have to pack the last minute things like your makeup. But anyways, as you guys are watching this, we will be already flying over there, or we will be either flying or we will be just landing in that country. But I'm not going to tell you guys exactly where we're going yet until the video afterwards. Let's just get to it, right? I'm gonna be wearing these outfits multiple times on our trip. I just want to pack really light and simple. It's going to be fairly cold. I would say between 35 degrees to 65 degrees. It's gonna vary. So I'm really hoping everything can fit. I got these really nice turtleneck thermals from Target. I got 2 of them. They were $18.99 each. I'm gonna be wearing these a lot on my trip. And then these are I call them thermal because they're really thick. I think they are fleece leggings and they're extremely high-waisted, which I love. I got a gray one and I also got a black one. They are so comfortable. I highly recommend. I will insert a photo of the leggings in the package so that you guys are interested in it. I highly recommend. I don't plan on wearing any jeans. I want to be extremely comfortable while I'm on my trip. And these are thick. They're not see-through. 2 scarves that I'm bringing. This is from Shein, and this was a gift from Alexander's mom for Christmas. I absolutely love them. Let me show you guys. It's an active coat. This is going to be perfect for when it's extremely cold. From the brand The American Outdoorsman. 50 bucks at Marshall's. Original price $120, and I love this color. So I know this is pretty big and thick. Sorry if you guys can hear the dogs in the back. So I'm going to be wearing it onto the airplane. And I plan on just carrying my little fanny pack I got from Target. The socks that Amber got me, these will look super cute with the boots that I'm going to be packing. So a handful of socks, you know, regular socks. These are just comfy clothes I can wear when I'm sleeping. A couple of biker shorts I can wear to sleep. My underwear, very light. I got 5 regular underwears and 5 G-strings. I'm just kidding. 5 thongs. So here is this little tiny carry-on luggage that it's actually my grandma's. It's a little bit beat up, but I'm not complaining. You guys know these things are so expensive nowadays. And it opens like that. It's super small. I think I'm just gonna put all of my clothes here. That way it's not so straining when I carry my backpack. let's go. I'm gonna try my best to fit all of this into here. I'm gonna pull this out because I'm gonna wear this to the airport. Where are my other bottoms? Okay, so I'm able to fit pretty much everything besides this, and I really want to bring this, so I'm gonna try to find a way to pack that with me. I just stubbed my toes in my mom's closet and it hurts so bad. Oh, I'm always stubbing my toes in her closet. What did I do to deserve this? Okay. I literally, it took me a second, like when I stubbed my toes, it took my brain a couple seconds to react, like, ah! Oh my god, I screamed. Anyways, let's get back to packing. Here's the remaining stuff that I need to pack. Got this USB port international adapter on Amazon. It has really good reviews. That way we can charge our electronics. And I didn't realize how small it is. Look at that. I really like it. USA, Australia one, the UK, the EU, and you just kind of push it out and it shows you. You just plug it in the wall. I also like that it has 4 USB ports so we can charge a bunch of things at the same time. And it was only 23 bucks. It comes in different colors too, but I like this charcoal black. Great thing to have if you're traveling international. Got 2 brushes. This should last us for the time being when we're there. I'm gonna remove it out of the packaging so it's less bulky. We got his and hers native deodorant. I'm using the cucumber mint and he got the coconut vanilla. Of course, gotta bring some hand sanitizer. This is Alexander's, what is this? Shampoo and conditioner, and this is just the shampoo. This will last him for 3 weeks. It will, yeah, plenty of shampoo and conditioner for him. And then chewing gum, because the airplane, your ears can pop. And then a little dry shampoo, because I don't plan on washing my hair every day, and I don't anyway. Oil sheets, in case I get super oily. Hand wipes. Tissues. Which I don't think we need all of this. I'm just going to take out 2. I'm also bringing just a little handful of these Neutrogena makeup removers. I am bringing my Juno & Co. cleansing balm. I have my little CeraVe facial cleanser. And then I do have a deodorant from Dove, but this is almost out. That's why I got the native one. So I'm just going to use this first until it's done and then use the native. Aveeno's body wash. And then I got the Origin Tea Tree conditioner and shampoo. Can't forget my Lena cup when I am on my cycle. This is great, I'm telling you guys. Switch over to cups. Don't use tampons anymore. Those are bad for you. Get a cup. This one I've been having for 4 years. Just letting y'all know. It's great. I made a list of everything that we need to pack. The important things. So I'm just going to check it off. I got some Salon Pass because I know I'm going to be, my neck going to be hurting. And then some Pepto-Bismol, just in case. Okay, so we got that. Pepto-Bismol, toothbrush and toothpaste. So let's go ahead and put all of this in Ziploc bags. I also want to bring a few jewelry. and a headband. Nothing, very, very minimal on the jewelry accessories. And then some knit pasties just in case, you just never know. All right, I am done packing for today. Whatever's left will be packed the day of our flight. Doing laundry. Other than that, just chilling at home today for the most part. Well, I lied. Eric wants to go get sushi. Well, I want to go get sushi for lunch. And then for dinner, we're going to meet up with Joe and have dinner with him because he wants to see us one more time before we go on our trip. Today is not my day. Y'all, I just jammed my two fingers, my middle finger and my thumb. Look, it broke off. Beautiful thumb. Literally came off, and then this one, these two fingers are like throbbing. But I was trying to get Menace. I was trying to get Menace out of this gate. He ran with so much force through this gate as I was trying to close it. He literally broke this bar off, bend it. It was bent, and then somehow my fingers were jammed, and I screamed so bad. It hurt more than my toes earlier today. Luckily, Eric was able to put it back together. Now I got an ugly ass thumb. Luckily, my mom's gonna do my nails, but I really like this length, and they're broken. I have on some of my hero patch. Got some pimples popping up. Give you some little foot cam. Look at that. It's all red and bruised up, and this one is throbbing too. Oh my gosh. If you guys saw like, what, 7 videos ago, these were supposed to be socks for Christine for her Christmas gift, but somehow Mega, it was either Mega or Menace, got into these socks and they started chewing on it. Luckily, I caught them on time before they were ruined. I'm not gonna give her socks that one of my dogs chewed up, so I just kept them. I mean, look at these socks. They're so cute. And yes, I'm putting my feet up in the air. Also, what are you guys doing for New Year? Tomorrow, I'm not gonna vlog it tomorrow, but tomorrow I'm gonna see Anwar. We're gonna go get body massages early in the morning and grab lunch. And then at night, I'm going over to Ellen's. We're gonna have a girls' night and do some seafood boil. Let me know what you guys' New Year's resolution is, or goals, because I know resolutions tend to not last long. My goal for next year is just to, you know, take care of my body more and my mental health, and just be more aware of what I'm putting in my body, and just surround myself with family and my good friends and travel. And hopefully, another goal is to hopefully hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023, because this baby's climbing up really slow.
Let's see if I can do this. Mega stay. Menace, come. Mega stay. Oh man. I'm trying to do them one at a time, but they doesn't work. I'll just give them, I need to go get them more treats. Stay. Mega, stay, menace, come. Mega. Hey, Mega, come. I need to...
They hear come and then just like, okay. It is many hours later. About to head out in about half an hour to go have dinner with Joe. It's probably going to be a very light dinner for me since I'm still really full from sushi earlier today. I'm like super thirsty right now, so I'm just gonna make myself a cup of water. It's a big old mug that Anwar gifted me for Christmas way back in the day. This is pretty much one of the only mugs that I do use. Water time. This is what I'm wearing. I wore this to work the other day. I only wore it for a few hours to work since I just went in for half a day. So I'm just gonna wear it again for dinner. Good morning, it's the next day. Last night was a lot of fun. I didn't film anything. It was just nice just to put your phone away, your camera away, and just be in the moment with your friends. So it was nice seeing Joe last night. Yeah, anyways, I am going to wrap up this video here. Again, I hope you guys had a wonderful new year, and let's manifest together and pray and hope that this year is going to be a very good year for all of us. Stay tuned for travel vlogs coming all January. My goal, before I end this video, my goal is to film every single day while we're abroad. So hopefully it goes well. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.